Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to run Assetto Corsa on Linux. First, understand that Proton is a crucial compatibility layer, enabling Windows games to function seamlessly on your Linux system. Steam Play, built into the Steam client, makes this process incredibly straightforward. Before you begin, always ensure your graphics drivers are fully updated. This is vital for achieving the best possible performance and a smooth racing experience. To get started, open your Steam client and navigate to the Settings menu. Here, you will need to enable Steam Play for all supported titles. Once enabled, you can simply search for Assetto Corsa in your library or the store and proceed with the installation, just as you would on a Windows machine. Sometimes, selecting a specific Proton version, like Proton GE, can significantly improve compatibility and stability. For the best racing experience, optimizing your game's performance is key. Start by adjusting the in-game graphics settings. Reducing shadows or reflections can yield significant frame rate improvements. Many users find that custom Proton versions, such as Proton GE, offer enhanced compatibility and better performance for Assetto Corsa. Remember to monitor your CPU and GPU usage to pinpoint any potential bottlenecks that might be hindering your gameplay. Encountering issues can be frustrating, but many common problems have simple solutions. First, try verifying the integrity of your game files through Steam. This often resolves corrupted data. The Assetto Corsa Linux community forums are an excellent resource for finding specific fixes and workarounds. Additionally, keeping your Linux distribution and kernel updated ensures you have the latest bug fixes and performance enhancements, contributing to a more stable gaming environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.